Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So if you remember, I had done a pup separation of Xgraptosedum Ghosty couple of months back, and I have put them in this plastic container. So this is an update. This is how they tend to look like. It was in the same plastic container. There's a small little weed growing, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. In case if there is any excess moisture, it is going to be pulled out by that weed. But overall, you can see all of those 3 pups are doing excellent. They have grown quite a bit. They get a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. Hence, they are very compact and they have this beautiful pink color on them. So if you have a Xgraptosedum Ghosty and you want to have that beautiful tint of pink on them, then you'll have to give them a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. And then this is how the pups are looking. So guys, I hope that you liked this update video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.